In this video, we are going to study the introduction and the basics of reproduction. Now, each and every species grows old with times and eventually dies out, whether that be the species of a human being, a fish, or a cat. Now, in order for the species to survive, the parent gives birth to an offspring, such as a cat gives birth to a kitten, humans gives birth to babies, and an amoeba gives rise to daughter cells. This is all because they want the species to survive. For example, the human beings, by the modes of reproduction, they ensure that the human species continue to exist on Earth for all the time to come and not go extinct, such as some of these species listed on the screen. Now, we know that a cat gives birth to a kitten. Puppies are born from dogs. A bird lays eggs and then hatches them. Meanwhile, a plant reproduces by producing seeds. Now, these were the various ways in which organisms reproduced. And we can see that the process of reproduction is not the same in each and every organism. So, we can define reproduction as the process by which living things produce more of their own kind. Now, reproduction is of two types. It can be sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. Now, let us look at some organisms and how they reproduce. Amoeba gives rise to daughter cells by the process of binary fission. Meanwhile, humans, cats, and dogs are born from their mothers. An organism called as Hydra reproduces by a process called budding, in which basically the offspring, that is the bud, grows on the parent cell and then eventually falls out to become an individual organism. Birds and snakes hatch from their eggs. Now, there are some specialized cells present in the bodies of organisms. These cells can be called as reproductive cells, sex cells, gametes, or germ cells. Some organisms, like humans, do have these gametes, such as a sperm or an ovum, and meanwhile, some, like amoeba, do not have any reproductive cells at all. This will be very important to us when we discuss the various modes of reproduction, that is asexual and sexual reproduction. But for now, this is something that we have to understand. Now, in our next video, we will be discussing asexual reproduction and further we will discuss sexual reproduction. Till then, thank you.